What's up? September 17th, and I did a video in the dark with the lights on with my new Mpower Lightbar, and it was just really blurry. So I am going to try it again. So got it all mounted. Everything worked out really well. Had to make some custom brackets, a little bit of welding. Use the yeah, it's kind of hard to see in there. But anyway, I used the existing brackets, cut them, and used the mounting holes on the rack. And actually ran the wire down that side too. You can't even hardly see it. It worked out really well. And mounted it, and now I'm just tweaking it using the software. And it's definitely interesting. GM's got this nice little compartment right here. I ran everything up under the car to this compartment and did all my wiring in there. I got another video on that. I'll do that one later, but now I'm just messing around with the configuration. So quick go through the modes so you can see this, and it might not be so bad now that it's not so dark. Alright, so my mode 1 is just the rear and a couple little side lights. And let's see, just for being pulled over on the side of the road. Just kind of, okay, yeah, that's better. Yeah, it was just so bright I couldn't even hardly see it before. Still doesn't really do it any justice, but it's a pretty sweet bar. I might have to do one in the daytime, actually. Alright, so my mode 2 and 3 are backwards, but it's the way that my light stick was set up and the way I got everything going. Alright, so my mode 2 is the red and white. Whew. Oh yeah, kids. Anyway, she's looking pretty. Just gonna move some vehicles. I haven't ran any code with a GS yet, but yeah, it's a little bit better. Still got a little bit of glare, but a little bit better. Gosh, that thing is so bright. So bright. It's almost too bright to see what's going on, but really cool. Alright, and then we got our 3, which is all red, so at nighttime, probably just used the 3rd. And a little more subtle, but very bright. Very bright. I am so loving this bar. It's low profile, and everybody's like, wow, I can't even hardly see it up there. But there is a little bit of wind noise, so it's got a tunnel effect that I have to fill up the little space. But yeah, she's looking good. I think I'm pretty much probably done. Dual tone 200-watt speakers, but I'm having problems with my arrow. There's supposed to be one button for left, right, and in, out, and I haven't figured it out yet. So right now I just have it on left, and this is what it does. So it goes left, and it does a emergency pattern in between there, then does left again, and you can make, and it'll do right the same way, and then it'll do in and out. Once I figured it out, I'm gonna have to call tech support because it's stomping me. And so is the alleys. Supposed to be left alley, right alley, and all on, but not quite working the way I want it to. But I got 3 right now set up for the takedowns. So let me turn this off because this thing is bright. But so 3 is just a takedown for the bar, and it is so bright. It just, yeah. Just really lights up. And then 3 is the top bar. I want to do the front and the rears. I just have to figure out how to do it. The software is not user friendly. Got to play with it for a while, and then it starts coming together. But there's a lot of little tricks. So John, my buddy over at the fire department, helped me But let's see, let me shut the store just for a quick second. So right now, I got takedowns top, my bottom, and then my corner markers. And I should have did the white ones too on the front, but I didn't. So yeah, it's gonna be really bright. At nighttime, lights everything up. Alright. Then let's see. Then I got some couple other buttons. Horn. Dual tones. I love it. It is so kick-ass. Alright, so I got a pretty kick-ass video of putting everything together. Just I got a lot of editing to do. But I highly recommend this bar if you got money just to blow, because it is expensive. I ain't gonna lie. It's very expensive, but this thing is so freaking solid right now. The way it's mounted. This side too. It's on there. I don't know why it creates such wind noise though. I don't know if maybe it's just this GM top of this, if it's cheap or something. I don't know, but at first I had wedges in there to make this level with the road, like they say, and it was really bad because this Escalade is jacked up in the back, and I had to take them out. So now it's level with the vehicle, and it took most of the noise out, but it's still just a little bit there. That it was all quiet before, and now it's got that little howl. So yeah, it could be a little bit annoying, but overall, pretty thrilled. So I'll work on getting another video that I put together for running all the wiring to the back and hooking everything up. I just didn't want to make a long one. So I'll get that put together. Let me just quick pop this open. It's probably kind of dark. Yeah, you can't even see. Yeah, it's the light time, but I got 100 amp. Oh yeah, she's really dark. Oh, sorry about that. I'll get that video. And I got a junction box over here. Where my old siren's at. That I put all my connections in there, and then put it on the lift in the garage and ran it all to the back. So yeah, that's it. 2018 Escalade POV with the SoundOff Mpower Lightbar and the 400 handheld siren. Pretty slick. All right, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to see the update. Thank you.